Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 12, areas related to circles, exercise 12.2, question 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So let's try to understand the question. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, so there is a circle is there. So let me draw a circle. Okay, so there is a circle. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter. So that means there is a radius of 21 centimeter is there. So radius 21 centimeter. An arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So an arc means here any one part. Maybe we can take a point from here and from here. This much we call it an arc. Arc it is. Okay. So in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc, this arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this arc is having the angle at the center 60 degree. So that means at the center means one more radius. Let's draw. So that means this becomes here 60 degree. So this is the arc AB. This AB is the arc. This arc is subtending the angle at 60 degree in the center, whose radius is 21 centimeter. So what we have to find? The length of the arc. So we have to find out the length of this arc. Then area of the sector formed by the arc. So if this is the arc, then the area of the sector. Sector means I have already explained to you in the introduction part. Sector means when two radius is there between this part is called sector. If this is small piece, then minor sector, and bigger one is called major sector. But here it is asked area of the sector formed by the arc. That means arc is here. So that means this is the whole thing. We have to find out area of the sector. Then area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So if arc is here, then the corresponding chord will be here. And this is the called segment, minor segment, major segment. This also I have explained to you in the introduction part. Here it is. Areas related to circle. In this chapter I have explained the area of sector. Sector means when two radius is there and this part is called, small piece is called minor sector and this bigger part is called major sector. And segment means I told you, segment means it is made up of, segment means made up of a chord. If this is a circle, then when chord is there, then this part is called minor segment and this part is called major segment. So segment means made up of chord and sector means made up of two radius. Okay. And then also I told you in the introduction part about the area of equilateral triangle, where when a chord is there and when it forms at the center, when it is subtends 60 degree angle, then this triangle formed will be an equilateral triangle. That also I have explained to you why. Because both side will be same, because both are radius of the same circle, so both side will be same. If both the sides are same, their opposite angles also will be same. So if total sum of the angles are 180, then from 180 you minus 60, now remaining 120 will be equally divided both the side, because both side angle also will be same. So that's how this becomes an equilateral triangle. And area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 upon 4 sides square. So this introduction part please go through in order to understand this question. So now let's begin to solve one by one. First, the length of the arc. Length of an arc here. The formula is, already I have explained to you length of the arc in the introduction part. That is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So theta we know, this is the length of the arc, means angle formed here is 60. So theta is 60. Then 2, pi value you can put 22 upon 7. And radius is given to us 21. So now 0, 0 gets cancelled 6 times. Then here 2 1 time, 3 2s are 6. Now with 3, 7 times it will become 7 times 21. Then this 7 gets cancelled. So you have here up 22. So only 22 is left, centimeter, because we are finding length of an arc. So what is left here? Only 1, and centimeter here. Length can be, length has to be in centimeter only. Okay, length means you know how much long it is, so it is in centimeter. When area, then it becomes centimeter square. So this is our answer. So now let's find out the second. Area of the sector formed by the arc. So area of the sector. So area of the sector also, formula is theta upon 360 pi r square. So area of the sector formed by the arc. So arc means here. So that means this is the sector we have to find out. I explained to you what is sector. It is made up of 2 radius and the inside part all. We call it sector. So theta here is, angle is 60. Pi value 22 upon 7. Radius is twice. So radius we know 21. So 21 2 times. So now 0 0 gets cancelled. This 6 times. Then here with 2 or with 3 also you can do. 3 2s are 6. Then 7 3s are 21. Then this 7 will get cancelled. Then this 3 7 times. So what is left now? Some mistake here. Once again I'll just do it. 60 upon 360, 22 upon 7, 21, 21. Okay, just a mistake here. 6 0 cancel. 6 6 36. With 2 you can cancel. 3 2s are 6. Then here 11 it will become. Now with 3 you can cancel, becomes 7. Then 7 gets cancelled. So you are left with now 11, then 21. So that will give us 231. So this is centimeter square, because it is asked area of the sector. So centimeter square. Now we go to area of the segment. Area of the segment, how we will find out? That also introduction part I have explained to you. Segment means what it is. Segment means made up of a chord it is. So if we join this, becomes the chord. This is a corresponding arc. So here if we join this, becomes the chord now. So now we have to find the area of the segment. Segment is made up of chord. So that means this part is the segment. So this area of this we have to find out. For that, what we will do? From the area of the sector minus area of this triangle, we will get the area of the segment. So area of sector minus area of triangle, that will give us area of segment. So area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle. Now what type of triangle it is, I have explained to you. When it is 60 degree at the center, then this triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. So area of the equilateral triangle, to find out formula is root 3 upon 4 side square. This also in the introduction part I have explained to you. So now put the value. theta value is 60, 360, pi value is 22/7, radius is given to us 21, square it is, so 2 times, then minus √3 value is 1.73, and this 4 side means it becomes a radius only, so 21 into 21. So now let's calculate. 6 times 36, again 2 times you can cancel, then the 3 here becomes 7, then 7 will get cancelled. You are left with here 11 and 21. When you multiply these two, will become 231. So now we have minus here. Now this if you multiply this whole thing, remove the decimal and multiply the whole thing, you will get 76293. Remove the decimal, 173, multiply with 21 and 21, you will get this number. Then after decimal we have 2 digits, so 1 2 digit, leave and put the decimal. Then you have 4. Or else you also can remove this decimal and it will be multiplied with 100. So now 231 minus, if you divide this, you will get 190.73, which will give you 40.27, and it is area, so centimeter square. So I hope it is clear to you. That's it. Thank you and God bless.